Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to find your following activity on Facebook using your PC. This process is simple and quick, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. From here, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of your activities. Now that you're in the activity log, look at the left-hand side under the Connections section. Click on Followers to proceed. Finally, within the Followers section, you'll see an option labeled Who You Followed and Unfollowed. Click on it, and you'll be able to view a detailed list of all the accounts you've followed or unfollowed over time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your following activity on Facebook. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exploring.